Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the fan, unlatch the stand from the monitor. Pry the back cover off the machine. Find the I/O cover and remove the 5 screws. Lift the cover off the system. Find the system base shield and remove the 4 screws to lift it out of the system. Identify the fan and disconnect the cables. Remove the 3 screws and lift the fan out of the system. To reinstall the fan, place it back in the system. Install the 3 screws and reconnect the cables. Place the system-based shield in the system and tighten the 4 screws to secure it. Secure the I/O cover with the 5 screws and place the back cover on the device. Relatch the stand to the monitor. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.